Yung pagising mo, bigla ka nalang sumayaw kahit walang tugtog. Hoy! I'm going to make my daily mini vlog now. By the way, this is Lady Key. Welcome to my mini vlog. Kung hindi ka pa naka-follow sa akin, I suggest mag-follow ka na. Dahil lagi nalang kurtina ang binubuksan ko, ngayon bintana naman. I'll start my day by cleansing my face with this facial cleanser since bacteria can accumulate at night and pangtanggal na din ng mga night skincare products na in-apply ko. O diba, mas looking fresh tayo kapag nag-start tayo by cleansing our face. My commitment now is to document my journey to a healthy lifestyle. I want to set an hour every day for a healthy and mindful exercise, regardless of kahit anong oras man yan. Masarap kasi talaga sa pakiramdam ang pag-e-exercise, nakakagaan, and it really helps me become more productive of my day. No one will push me, so I will push myself. Siyempre, magbe-breakfast tayo. Kita nyo naman yung saging ko guys, 4 weeks na yung nasa ref ko, ngayon ko lang maluluto. And I'd like to drink Yakult every day. Since magluluto ako ng pancake today, I will use this bottle blender in mixing this magnolia pancake. Napaka-convenient talaga ng bottle blender na to guys. It's very easy to use. Isi-shake mo lang siya ng ganyan and meron na rin siyang manual spring mixer sa loob. Share ko lang guys, yung waffle maker, nabili to ng asawa ko worth 50 pesos. Yes, napakagaling niya talaga in looking for products na talagang naka-sale or bagsak presyo. O, tapos na and I hope it inspires you to move forward in life. See you! Bye!